93. Yes, sir! I love your team. Yeah. What's your answer?
Republic Act 9297.
Republic Act 9297. Let's flash it on screen. Republic Act 9297 is correct! Okay, this is no cholesterol at all, but with ginkgo biloba and more vitamins and minerals. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It's the first set of Australia. But now, we are going to have the final game for the first part, and this is what we call us the Name That Tune. Do you have Name That Tune, Kuya? Arvin, Name That Tune game wherein they will dance. Okay. Alright, now guys, this is how it goes. If you know the title of the song, just raise your hand. And then, if your answer is correct, you'll be the first one to line up to the buffet and get your food. Are you ready? Is that clear? If you know, okay, now this is what we call the Name That Tune game. If you know the title of the song, then I'll give you a chance to answer. If your answer is correct, your table will be the first one to line up to the buffet to get your food. Okay, so let's start. These are very easy songs of music. These are very popular songs, by the way. So can we flash the first one, Mr. DJ? Yeah.